Hi guys, good morning from here. So I'm gonna be making egg roll today. This is my first time ever since I was born, but now I am getting old. This is my first time ever making egg roll. So if it turns out well, I'm gonna post this video. But if it didn't turn out well, I'm not gonna post it. But we will try again. So let's head over to the kitchen to make the egg roll. My egg is boiling right now. So let's go over to the kitchen and start preparing the other ingredients that I'll be using. Yeah. So right in the kitchen, I'll be using this recipe I got from Google. So I'll be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Yeah, according to the recipe that I got from the Google, that's what they wrote there. 2 cups of all-purpose flour or flour. I don't know how you people pronounce it, but all I know is that it's flour or flour. Yeah, so after adding the flour into my bowl, I added 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then I go in with my baking powder, also 1 teaspoon. Like I said, I'm using the recipe I got from Google. Yeah, so after adding the baking powder, I will be adding my salt to taste and also my sugar. I just added the salt, then followed by the sugar. They say that I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, so I'm adding this spoon too inside this my other ingredients. So after adding the sugar, I'll now go in with my milk. I forgot to add milk. I wanted to add butter before, then I remember that I've not added my milk. I'm using powdered milk. In case you don't know, if you like, you can use liquid milk. Yeah, I watched some videos on YouTube, yeah, before making this thing. So I added my powdered milk. I'm using 2 sachets of powdered milk. After adding the powdered milk, then I go in with my butter. Yeah, the butter is from Blue Band. I don't know, they say you can use unsalted or salted butter, so I don't know whether this one is salted or not, but I added it. Then I started kneading the dough. I started kneading it. After some kneading, I added my water. So you have to be careful when adding your water so that this thing will not be too watery. You know, this is egg roll. You don't need it to be too much watery or too much thick. Yeah, just a little bit of water, then you start kneading it. I kneaded with my hand. After kneading it for some minutes, I have to cover this for like 10 to 15 minutes. Like then head over to peel my egg. Yeah, just cover it for it to sit some minutes before frying. Yeah, so after that I have to peel my egg, and my egg is ready. So we're about to start cutting it into how many pieces you want to get. Like I have like 6 eggs here, so I'm going to cut it into 6, though there are some that later remained. So I cut this into 6 parts. Then after that I started adding my eggs, but before then my oil is already on the fire heating up. Yeah, so after adding the egg, I head over to check if my oil was hot enough or ready to be used. Yeah, so when I check, before checking the oil, I just used small dough from this and added in the oil to check if it is well hot enough. Then my oil is ready. Then I started frying. Oh my god, like I said, this is my first time of doing this. This is my first time of ever making egg roll. I've not done this before. So if you have watched up to this point, why not share this video? Why not like this video? Why not leave a comment? Why not follow this page if you have not? Thank you and God bless you. So back to what we are doing. I'm frying the egg roll right now. I'll add four of them into this oil. You are going to deep fry. Yeah, like this egg roll, you need enough oil for it to be done well. You don't want to be eating half fried egg, that's not well done. You know what I mean. So you have to deep fry the egg roll. Deep fry in a low heat or medium heat. For me, I'm using medium. I use low heat, not medium. I use low heat because the oil was hot too much before I started frying it. So I have to reduce the gas to the lowest so that my egg roll will be cooked very well. Yeah, so my egg roll is done, as you can see. Oh my god. It is looking so good. I've just cut one, but the hour have come for me to test it and give you guys my review. Yeah, this is my first time, so let's test it. The egg roll was good. It was just there, nothing much. It was just there, but I think the butter was too much. I don't know. I wish you can taste it and give me your own review. The butter was too much, but I love it. Do you know why I love it? Because it is well cooked. Like there was one egg roll I ate one certain time. You can still see that the flour is not well. It's just looking at you on your face. But this one is well cooked. Everything is given. Like I love it. I tried for a first time. I did so well. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.